How's it going today, guys? My name's Kevin. Today I'm going to be talking about an exciting topic for me, application programming interface codes, or APIs as they're more commonly known. APIs allow us to customize actions, pull information, push things to Cynet, really communicate with the Cynet console from third-party tools, allow me to do a lot more customization out of the box, cool stuff. Let's get into it. So the whole story starts down here in the settings where we begin by creating a new API user. So I'll go to users and roles and I will select the API user tab. From here, I'll go ahead and hit new and I'm going to call this enablement user. And I'll go ahead and do operator and I'll hit add. Now, one thing to note is it's going to show me the access key and the secret key. So I want to make sure to write those down. And the secret key is only going to show one time. This is the only time I'll ever see it. I can still get the access key, so make sure you write that down. The next thing we're going to do is open up our favorite API tool. Now, of course, with artificial intelligence these days, you could probably just have one of your favorites write something for you. You could use PowerShell. I like to use Postman. This is a free tool that you can download. It does some of the heavy lifting for you, makes things easy. So what I'll do is I'll create a new collection. This is how it's done in Postman, and I'll add a request. With the new request, I now have options. I can refresh this, if it comes back, there we go. I have options and things that I can start to build out. Now, what do I do? Where do I get my instructions? Where we'll find everything is help.cynet.com here in the API reference documentation. From clicking this, I get all kinds of things. Guess what my first step is going to be? Is kind of like logging in to be able to take further action, and that's authentication. So there's a whole step on essentially getting your access token. This access token is then inputted in all your further actions and things that you're going to create. The token will last 15 minutes, so this is something you're going to want to save and get kind of used to. It all starts here. This is the URL. So if we go back to Postman, we're going to plop it in right up here. We'll notice it says yourdomain.api, so that means we got to change something. And it's this thing right before the -v3. So in my case, it's sign up. I'm going to go ahead and just replace the words your domain with sign up. And I also notice get is not get, it's post. So we're going to push something here and we're going to go ahead and switch this to post. So we matched. Now following the same thing here, I'll look down here and I'll see access key, secret key, right? This is the next thing it's asking me for. So I'm going to go to body, and in my case, I'll switch it to raw. So I can just dump it right in, and I can just steal it from over here. We'll plop it in there and fill out the strings that we have. So in my case here, I'll go ahead and grab the access key. Boom. And I'll go ahead and grab the secret key. Bam. That's it. I can hit send. So what it's going to do is produce this really long, ugly looking key. This is what we call a bearer token or your access token. So now I can go ahead and add a request. And this is my new request now. And if I look at any of the other things that are happening in here, I can go ahead and find out, how to build those out. So here, same steps. I got my URL up here at the top. Plop that in there. In this case, I know this is sign up. Oops, sign up. And I have a get, so that matches. Now I'm just going to keep on reading. We got a parameter, last seen. Okay, sure. We're going to go under parameters. We're going to add in last seen. And the value is year, month, day. So let's just do today. Year is 2026. Let's see. And the format is just dash. Okay, so we'll do 2026. Dash, month is next, yep, so dash 08, dash, we'll call it 17, just to give it a little bit of wiggle room. What's next? Client ID, okay, so let's do the client ID. This is actually something that is in the UI, so if I go here, and I go up to my dashboard, I can see my client IDs on the site page. So let's grab this one here as an example, and I'll drop it in as my value. Let's see if there's anything else left for me to do. Oh, excuse me here. This is a header. Let's put this in here. Value, boom. ID. Boom. There we go. We got our header, we got our parameter. Let's see if she'll ship. Oh, one last thing. We got to authorize. Bearer token. Let's go back and get our ugly looking thing here. Copy that. Copy that. We're going to blop that right there. Let's see if I get lucky on the first try here. Oh, look at that. So that's how you do it, folks. The authentication is first. I'm going to use that bearer token in all my requests. Then I'm basically just matching the page to the things that I see, parameters, headers, and just drop them in. You got your APIs. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.